Harrison staff, this is Lisa Fish, and I'm here to talk to you about how the O365 integration works within Canvas. So what that means is that when you are in your Canvas course, you can access your OneDrive from really 4 different places and use them in different ways. The first way you can access it is through the menu on the left. So if I come down here to Office 365, I just double click on that and my account will pop up. So then I can access any of my documents, pull them up and work on them. So that just gives you total access. It doesn't actually link it or put it anywhere, but it gives you access to work on it, and your students have that same access as well. Another thing you can do, a way to access the O365 account, and I just want to mention right here, when you do, you may need to log into your account before it lets you access it, but that's an easy thing to do with your credentials. Within a module, I can click on the elements in the module and I can link directly to an external tool. And this is nice if you want to link one of your documents from your OneDrive that your students can view. So you see I pulled up my documents and I can just grab something from there and attach it, add the item, and now I have it in a module, and then students can click on it and it gives them a view-only version. They can download a copy from their instance and convert it to a PDF, but it's very limited. This is your copy and you're sharing it with them. Another thing you can do is when you create assignments or really anything in the rich content editor. So this can actually be in a page or in a discussion. You can actually link, a O365. So let's see how that looks. So if I want to go to just into a page, for example, and I want to pull in a document from my OneDrive, then all I need to do is place my cursor where I want it to go, and then I can come over here to this drop-down menu and I can link the Office 365 account. Again, I can slide down here, grab whatever I want from my account, and then I can attach that file in the rich content editor. So that's anywhere in Canvas that has the rich content editor, you can do that. The last thing you can do, and all it does is, again, it just creates a link to your document and a read only. It's not anything that they can, access and change in your account. They don't get their own copy unless they download it. Okay, let's cancel that. Then the last thing you can do is when you create assignments, and this is probably the most popular tool in Canvas. So if I go into my assignment and I edit this assignment, when I set this assignment up, this is a exercise log, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to take my document in my OneDrive, and I wanted my students to be able to download their own copy that they can edit and be able to use the submission tool to turn it in when it's due. So the way you do that is you create your assignment up here, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to select external tool under submission type. And then you're going to search for the tool that you want. And for this assignment, I attached a workout log. So then you select it, you attach it, and then you save it when you create your assignment, and you see that the document automatically pops in. So this is my view. From a student's perspective, this is what they see. And the nice thing about this tool for assignments is that you have grabbed, with this OneDrive account, you have grabbed this assignment and you have essentially distributed a copy automatically to all of your students. So what they can do is that it's always in their assignment. They can come here and edit it in the app or in the browser. And whenever they create these edits, it's always going to be in their OneDrive whenever they pull it up, whenever they access it. It's always going to be editable and it's going to save their edits. And when they are ready and when the due date comes about, then all they have to do is submit it right here in the submit button. So this is the nice thing about this, is that it constantly stays in their instance and they can edit it whenever they want, day by day, week by week, and then turn it in when it's due. And that's a very nice tool. Okay, that's all. That's how O365 is integrated within Canvas.